Today, we're exploring the female reproductive system. It's an absolutely incredible biological marvel.
It's a system with this amazing monthly rhythm. So, how does it all work? Let's find out.
So it really has two main jobs: making eggs and hormones, and, well, nurturing new life.
All right, let's start with a quick tour of the main players inside the body. First up, the ovaries. Think of them as twin glands that produce both eggs and key hormones. And inside, they're packed with thousands of potential eggs, each tucked into its own little follicle. Get this, at birth, there are about 1 million eggs, and that's all there will ever be. And as you can see here, that number naturally goes down over a person's lifetime. Next, you've got the fallopian tubes. They're basically the pathway for the egg's big journey.
The egg's destination? The uterus. It's this amazing organ that can expand to hold a fetus.
So how do all these parts work together? Well, that's where the menstrual cycle comes in. The whole thing is like an orchestra conducted by 4 key hormones, the body's chemical messengers.
This whole cycle usually takes about 28 days, and it happens in 3 main phases.
Okay, phase 1. It all kicks off on the first day of a period. It's called the follicular phase. Hormones from the brain, FSH and LH, signal the ovaries to start growing about 15 to 20 follicles.
As these follicles grow, they make estrogen. It's kind of like a race, and only one will become dominant.
All that rising estrogen sets the stage for the main event of the entire cycle, ovulation.
And what's the trigger? A massive surge in luteinizing hormone, or LH, as you can see right here. That LH surge is the signal for the dominant follicle to burst open and release the egg.
And that kicks off the final stage. We call it the luteal phase, or the waiting game. So that now empty follicle transforms into a little hormone factory called the corpus luteum. Its job is to pump out progesterone, which gets the uterine lining ready for a fertilized egg.
Okay, so from this point on, one of two things is going to happen.
If the egg isn't fertilized, hormone levels fall and the uterine lining is shed. That's menstruation.
And that's the end of one cycle and the start of the next. So what happens when that rhythm gets disrupted?